Hello, and today we will draw Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a leader who worked for equal rights and fairness for all people. So we are going to start off by making his face. So I am making a large U shape. All right, let's make his ears by going out like this and doing the other side. All right, let's make his hairline. I'm going to make a line like this, a curved line, and then make the top portion of his hairline like this, and then come out like this and connect to the ear. All right, I am going to make a curved line from here to here. So all right, let's make his eyes by making two large rainbow shapes like this, and then a U shape underneath each eye, or each rainbow, excuse me. All right, I'm going to make a circle inside each eye and a small rainbow shape inside each circle. And then let's give him eyebrows. Let's give him a U shape for the nose. And let's make his lips by making a M shape like this. And then a U shape to connect the M. And make a horizontal line across like this. And let's give him a mustache by thickening the M shape like this with a black crayon or marker or pencil, whatever you have. And so he has his mustache. Okay, let's make his suit. He will be wearing his suit. So I'm going to make a horizontal line from here to here underneath his face like this. And then I'm going to make a rectangle and then connect. So I made a V shape, then a U shape, and then a diagonal line like this. And I'm going to make the lapel, the flap of the suit. So I'm going to make a zigzag line like this, then come out, and then connect to here. And let's do the other side, in, out, and connect. Let's make a vertical line like this. 3 dots for the buttons. And let's make his pants. And I'm going to start by making a vertical line going down, not on the edge here, but just a little bit in like this, coming down. And then across a horizontal line. Then come back up, but not all the way up. Then across. Then down. Then across. Then up like this to hit the top portion of his suit. And then let's make his shoes by making a rainbow shape like this. Then across by making a horizontal line. So he has his shoes. And now let's, you know what? I'm going to shade in his shoes right now. All right, let's make his arms. So I'm going to make a curved line like this, going into his body, and then a diagonal line for the collar like this. 1, 2. And let's do the other side where this time he's holding his arm up like this, just a line going up like this, or curved line, and then come down like this. Then come make a line going into his body like this. He has one arm up, and I am going to make a collar here like this. And let's make his fingers. So I am going to make a line going out, a curved line like this, and then a little bit like that going out, and then I'm going to make one finger going out like this that he's pointing, a curved line, and then we're going to make one like this, two, and three curved lines. And then let's just connect from the collar to the pinky finger. So we are done drawing Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. The next thing we need to do is color. As you can see, the colors that I use on my left, you can use any colors that you like, but just have fun. And until next time, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.